It's just a normal Monday.
Until it isn't.
Das Lernen-Bergen-Nugenfest.
Das Lernen-Bergen-Nugenfest.
It's the Joy of Free Learning Day.
Das Lernen-Bergen-Nugenfest is a day in the year that's a surprise for all the students. It means a day of free learning, which they get to choose from 34 different classes across lots of different topics. Some of those courses include the Art and Engineering of Motorcycle Repair by Mr. Willard, and lino cut printing with Miss Payne, singing hymns of Charles Wesley in 4-part harmony with Mr. Bolger, counting infinity with Miss Schmitz, the physics of wave behavior with Miss Pentozzi and Dr. Schwartz, candy chemistry with Mrs. Bowden, the science of deliciousness with Mrs. Burns, wars that made America with Mr. Stetson, manuscripts, ancient translations, and texts of the Bible with Dr. Quant. One highlight this year that was new in the schedule was an assembly with the whole school. We're first and foremost a community of learners, including the faculty. So the faculty demonstrated for the students and then welcomed them into singing a hymn in 4-part harmony all together. So creating beauty is a part of what we do at Trinity every day. And this is one way that Das Lernen-Bergen-Nugenfest could demonstrate that this one day out of the whole year exhibits what we do every day in the classroom.